Toplux Blood Sugar Complex Honest Review. Does it really support glucose balance? Let's find out. Toplux markets this as a natural blood sugar support supplement with ingredients like cinnamon bark, chromium, banaba leaf, and bitter melon. These ingredients are commonly linked with promoting healthy glucose metabolism. So, the pros of this product are many users report that more stable energy levels and fewer sugar crashes. It's also easy to take with simple capsule form, and the formula includes several research-backed herbal extracts and minerals that may help with glucose control. The cons are the supplements affect everyone differently. Some people may see no changes at all. It's not a substitute for medication or medical advice too, and its results may take 2 weeks to notice. Also, quality control and sourcing transparency could be better. So, for final verdict, Toplux Blood Sugar Complex can be helpful as a supportive supplement for healthy blood sugar management, but it's not a miracle solution. If you already maintain a good diet and lifestyle, it may give you an extra boost. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.